Yangli GL4020 FCNC fiber laser cutter serves communications, sheet metal parts including 5G base stations, RF filters, server cabinets, and signal shielding covers. Its high rigidity, gantry dual drive frame cuts complex shapes and dense microholes stably. The stress-relieved welded bed maintains consistent mass production precision, meeting tight tolerances and preventing electromagnetic leakage. Driven by servo motors with imported gear racks and reducers, it processes common sheet metals with smooth edges. Its domestic fiber laser source delivers high photoelectric conversion efficiency and low long-term operating costs. With the Boku system's intelligent nesting boosting material utilization, it completes full process machining in one go, fitting the sector's high-mix mass production and fast iteration cycles.